Well, we've got a wager. Will it stay straight or will it stand on end? I think it's going to pop a wheelie.
It was in reverse.
Here we go.
That's why I told him.
Uh-oh. Some of my house is now gone. So here we go. We're going out of the bathroom and we're going to go toward the basement. Oops, something happened here. We have a hole in the wall and then basement steps. Oh, wait a second. There's the basement steps, but there's this great gigantic hole in the wall. And another one there. Anyway, so this is where my entry will be into the log cabin from here out. I got some wires to move, but so we're into the cabin. Fireplace is gonna be there. Front door straight through. Big window, two small windows. And there's the rest of the house, all kind of, geez, wide open. Let me get back so you can see. And now I'm outside. So I've kind of got an, I guess this would be an open wall plan right now. Or you could say that my door is always open. Anyway, just thought I'd share real quick. So this cabin was built for the widow and her children of a man that died in the War of 1812. Figured about 1815 to 1818. It was in really bad shape, and I reclaimed all the wood to build this little one-story log cabin. And it's time to fire up my mill. Let me walk you through the house real quick though. So I'm building the house, just a single story. I attached it to my original home. A little hot here, so I got a tiki thing up to hide in. Put a loft up top. That's going to be the fireplace in the back. So then I'll walk you out.